Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix SmartTube Error Code 152 problem if SmartTube is not working on your device and showing this error. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option. Tap on search bar, search SmartTube. Tap on SmartTube and force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Tap on storage, clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on permission option and allow all permission. Okay. And go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar. Search for SmartTube. Now tap on SmartTube. Check updated SmartTube. My SmartTube already updated. Okay. Go back. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And open your SmartTube. I hope your problem has been solved successfully. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.